Hi, I'm Blaine Burley with Plotmaster Systems. This week we're going to be talking about the Plotmaster Hunter 400. This is one of my favorite Plotmaster units. It's designed for ATVs, UTVs, and small tractors. ATVs and UTVs, you need at least a 500cc or larger four-wheel drive. And for tractors, we recommend at least a 20 to 40 horsepower. This is a really versatile unit in there. You can disc with it, you can plow with it, you can seed, you can drag, you can cultipack. You can do it all at one time, or you can do those separately. We've got a heavy-duty lift system here. It's a linear lift system, newly designed. This allows you to raise and lower the unit right from the seat of your ATV or UTV. You can just push a button, it raises and lowers the unit. The higher you pull the tires up off the ground, the deeper the unit's going to go on the ground. So that's how you control your depth control, and that's how you control your tillage. It's got a top link on here. You can adjust the angle just like you do on a tractor. You can adjust the angle of your cut. You can put more down pressure on the front, or you can put more down pressure in the back of your disc using the top link. It's got a new Versaseeder, which is designed for planting all different types of seed, including grass seed and those hard to plant seed blends. It's got a reverse auger brush system in there, which constantly blends those seed in there. So when you're bouncing around using this unit in there, all your small seed does not filter down into the bottom like most planting systems. The drag here is used basically when you do the disking in there. You disc up the soil, get a good seed bed, drop the seed in there, then the drag comes behind it, it covers up your seed, and then you finally have your cultipacker. It rolls over that seed and soil, and you get that soil seed contact, which is very important for your germination and get a good planting seed bed. But this is just a great unit. It's very versatile. We've got a number of different attachments that comes with it. If we've got a chisel plow attachment, we've got a moldboard plow, got a turning plow, even got a one-row planter. It could be used for a number of different things in there. If you can use it for ranches, you can use it for gardening, you can use it for planting food plots for wildlife. It's just one of the most versatile units I know out there for tillage and also planting. So if you got a ranch, you got a garden, you got a hunting club, I'd highly recommend this unit right here. It's very cost effective too compared to a lot of your agricultural equipment that's out there. This is just another great product in our full line of Plotmaster products. You can go to our website and check out our full line of products at www.plotmasters.com.
If you want a quick and easy way to manage your property, check out Plotmaster's new line of UTV and tractor implements. These all-in-one planting machines are perfect for farms, ranches, and hunting properties. Its new Versaseeder allows you to plant all types of seed, including grass seed and hard-to-plant seed blends. Plotmaster's patented design allows you to disc, plow, plant, cover, and cultipack all at the same time, thus saving you valuable time, money, and effort. Call 888-MAX-GAME today or visit www.plotmasters.com for a Plotmaster's complete line of land management products.